Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best cable lock is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for anyone looking to secure their valuable electronics, from laptops and bicycles to gaming consoles and outdoor equipment, ensuring peace of mind whether you're in a public space or simply want an extra layer of protection against theft. Number 5. Lewis N. Clark TSA Approved Cable Luggage Lock. Introducing the ultimate travel companion. This lock offers peace of mind for all your journeys, whether you're flying or cycling. Travel with confidence knowing it's TSA approved. Agents can inspect your luggage without damaging the lock, ensuring your belongings remain secure. Forget fumbling with keys. Easily set your personalized combination for quick and convenient access to your items. It features a strong, 30-inch retractable steel cable. This provides flexibility and robust security for various items. Perfect for luggage, backpacks, or even securing your bike. It's the versatile solution for keeping your valuables safe on the go. What we like. This lock offers TSA approval, making it ideal for air travel. Its retractable steel cable is convenient for packing. If you're a frequent flyer and need a secure way to lock your luggage, this is a great choice. What people say. The cable is strong and durable, perfect for securing my bike. The lock mechanism is smooth and easy to operate. It comes with 3 keys, which is convenient. Number 4. Master Lock 4-foot black combination bike cable lock 8143D. Introducing a reliable cable lock designed to keep your bicycle safe. It's perfect for securing your bike and other outdoor gear. This lock features a convenient preset 4-digit combination. It offers a good level of security, acting as an effective deterrent against theft. Constructed with strong braided steel for flexibility, it also boasts a protective vinyl coating. This ensures it won't scratch your equipment. With a length of 4 feet and a diameter of 5/16 inches, it provides ample reach for various locking needs. Get peace of mind with this straightforward and effective locking solution. It's everything you need for basic security. What we like. This cable lock features a preset 4-digit combination for basic security, perfect as a theft deterrent. The braided steel cable with a vinyl coating prevents scratching. If you need a simple, no-fuss lock for your bike or outdoor equipment and prefer not to manage a key, this is a solid option. What people say. The cable is very strong and durable, perfect for securing my bike. The lock mechanism is smooth and easy to operate, even with one hand. It comes with 2 keys, which is convenient in case I lose one. Number 3. Master Lock Black Python Bike Lock 8418D. Introducing the Master Lock Black Python Bike Lock. This adjustable metal cable lock is designed for securing your outdoor equipment, including bicycles and trail cameras. It's perfect for use as a trail camera lock, kayak locking cable, or for your tools and job boxes. Keep your outdoor gear protected wherever you go. Featuring a patented locking mechanism, it holds the cable securely at any position. This ensures a perfect and reliable fit for your needs. Constructed with braided steel for strength and flexibility, it offers superior weather and scratch resistance. The vinyl-coated cable and rust-resistant lock ensure longevity. This lock is 6 feet long and 5/16 inches in diameter, providing ample reach. Its robust construction offers peace of mind for your valuable equipment. For your convenience, it comes with 2 keys. Secure your belongings easily and effectively with this dependable lock. What we like. With an adjustable cable and key lock, this offers a secure and flexible fit for various items. Its weather-resistant design makes it suitable for outdoor use. If you need to secure trail cameras, kayaks, or bicycles in various weather conditions and prefer a key-operated lock, this one is highly recommended. What people say. The cable is very sturdy and the lock mechanism is smooth. It's a good length for securing my bike to a rack. The vinyl coating protects my bike frame from scratches. Number 2. Master Lock 8122D Bike Cable Lock. Introducing the Master Lock 6-foot bike cable lock. It's designed for securing your bicycle and other outdoor gear. This lock features a resettable 4-digit combination, offering a basic level of security to deter theft. Constructed with braided steel for flexibility, it also has a protective vinyl coating to prevent scratches. The cable is 6 feet long and 1/2 inch wide, providing ample reach for various locking needs. You can easily set and reset your own personal combination for convenient access. It's the perfect solution for keeping your bike and outdoor equipment safe. What we like. This lock allows you to set and reset your own 4-digit combination, offering convenience and security. It boasts a thicker braided steel cable for enhanced protection. If you're looking for a longer cable lock with the flexibility of a customizable combination for your bicycle or outdoor gear, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The cable is very sturdy and the lock mechanism feels secure. It's a good length and easy to wrap around my bike frame. The included mounting bracket is a nice addition for storage. Number 1. Master Lock 7.25 U-Lock with cable. Introducing the ultimate security solution for your bicycle. This heavy-duty lock is designed to keep your ride safe and secure wherever you go. Crafted from hardened steel, its robust U-shaped body and double-locking shackle offer superior resistance against cutting and prying attempts. Enjoy added flexibility with the included loop 10 cable. It provides extra security and convenience for your peace of mind. Transporting your lock is a breeze thanks to the included carrier bracket. It ensures your lock is always within reach when you need it. With a wide body and a long, thick cable, it offers ample coverage and robust protection. The dimensions are designed for maximum security. This package includes everything you need: 1 U-Lock, 1 loop 10 cable, and 2 keys. Get ready for secure cycling adventures. What we like. This heavy-duty U-Lock provides superior resistance to cutting and prying with its hardened steel body and double-locking shackle. The included looped end cable adds versatility for securing additional items. If maximum security for your bicycle is your top priority and you appreciate the robust protection of a U-Lock combined with extra cable length, this is the product for you. What people say. The cable is very sturdy and the lock mechanism feels secure. It's a good length for securing my bike to a rack, and the flexibility makes it easy to maneuver. The included mounting bracket is a nice addition, making it convenient to carry the cable when not in use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.